The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I am here again once more with more information to give to you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Alright, now, within the month of April, the year 2022, days of fighting between gangs within the country of Haiti have caused the death of at least 20 persons. It is said that dozens of persons have been injured and a large amount of people have fled their homes because of fighting between gangs within the country that is known as Haiti. According to more than one news articles that I read, I got the understanding that officials from within the country of Haiti said that fighting between gangs within the country of Haiti have begun on the 24th of April, the year 2022, in neighborhoods within the capital of Port-au-Prince, close to the international airport within the country that is known as Haiti. Yeah, it is said that gangs are fighting against each other within at least 4 neighborhoods. And it is said that gangs have become more powerful and they are seeking to take control of more territory amid a power vacuum that had been left after the assassination of Haiti's president who goes by the name of Jovenel Moïse within the year 2021. See? Yeah, I read a news article that gave names of 2 gangs that are said to be fighting against each other in the viewers and subscribers. Now, I don't want to pronunciate those names of those gangs. So I'm just going to leave out those parts. But, you know, according to a news article that I read, it is said that there is some form of fighting or gang war that's going on between 2 gangs in the viewers and subscribers. You understand me? And in my point of view, the whole situation seems to be a power struggle between gangs within the country of Haiti. I also got information that there are reports of kidnappings and houses that have been burnt down. I also got information that there are citizens within the country of Haiti who are frustrated and angry about the situation. I also got information that there are citizens within the country of Haiti who are asking the necessary authorities to do something about the situation. And I also got information that the police within the country of Haiti or law enforcers within the country of Haiti are doing what they can to de-escalate the situation. It is said that the situation is expected to escalate over days to come. See? I also saw a video posted on social media by the police within the country that is known as Haiti that shows law enforcers armed with weapons walking through a neighborhood somewhere within the country that is known as Haiti. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to please bear in mind that there are more information about this whole situation. See, because I also got information that a family of 8, including children, are among those who have been killed. Fighting between gangs have affected schools and businesses within the country that is known as Haiti. Gun battles between gang members have caused many persons to leave their homes and communities and are struggling to find food and shelter. Now, I have some unconfirmed information to give to you, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, because I saw a video posted on social media with a certain amount of words. And based on the context of the post, I assume that the video had been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Haiti. See? Now I'm going to read some of those words from the post that I saw, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Please bear in mind that I might not read word for word from the post. And I might not read all the posts. I don't think I'm going to read all the posts. But anyways. Now, the post that I saw start off with some letters all joined together, and I'm going to assume that those letters mean Haiti children. You see me? So I'm going to start it like this. Haiti children remains hopeful and fully engaged with Haiti and its children in spite of continued unrest. See? Another part of the post said, one main crossroad leading to our campus And I don't want to pronunciate that part wrong, so I'm not going to leave out that part. See me? Another part of the post said, and some nearby areas have been infested by gangs and have now turned into a warlike. I assume that's theater. Yeah, I assume that's theater. Another part of the post said gangs are now fighting for hegemony. I assume that means leadership or so forth, you see me? In the area, and heavy gunfire is heard continuously. See? Yeah, the post also have other words, viewers and subscribers, but I'm not going to read everything that I saw in the post, but I'm just going to give you a understanding about the post and the video that have been posted on social media. So I say, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, on a real though, this whole situation is really and truly sad. See? A lot of people being misplaced, as how some people might say. You see? People are trying to escape the war, to survive, to live. See? Sad situation within the country of Haiti. You understand me? I also saw a video on social media that shows a person. In the video, the person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person claimed that he is either close by or within an area where the gang war is going on or where it happened. You see me? I say, now, when we look at the video and listen to the video carefully, viewers and subscribers, me hear some sounds in the video that sounds like explosions while the person attack. See? And those explosions, I assume, sounds like gunshots being fired. So me answer my people. Now, if the things that the person said in that video are true, viewers and subscribers, believe me, in my point of view, that's a big sad situation. Jamaica might say a sticky situation. You understand? Yeah. You know, and I also saw a video that shows a person who I assume is a minor holding on to something that I assume is a gun. You see me as a viewers and subscribers. No, I assume that the person is a minor. Because, you know, you have persons who might look young due to certain growth or so forth, what they call, you know, me didn't want to say it. You see, but me assume so the person is a minor. The point is, viewers and subscribers, me don't want to show you the video. But when I look at the video, me don't like some of the things that I saw in the video, viewers and subscribers. You understand? See? But me just talk about it because the video shows someone that seems to be a minor holding on to something that seems to be a gun. You understand? See? It's really and truly sad. So my people, me just make you know what I go on and tell about the situation in Haiti. Hope that this video was somewhat informative. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?